Hello, this is just a quick video to show how to install our web app on clubmotorhome.co.uk. You start by going to the home page, which is clubmotorhome.co.uk, and at the bottom of the screen you'll see that you're invited to install the web app. There will also be pop-ups to ask you whether you want to receive notifications and a pop-up to give us permission to know your location, which is very important if you're going to use this for stopover locations. The app will then self-install, and you'll see when you'll go back to the home page as you did in the beginning. If you then check your home screen of your device, you'll see that a Club Motorhome icon has been added, which you can move around to wherever your page suits it best. Clicking on that icon will take you into the app, which looks just like the home page that you left originally, but you can see there's no browser bar at the top, so it's working independently as an app. You can also install the app on a PC or laptop. Those links to popular pages are also available on the mobile version. So if you just hold the app icon, you'll get a pop-up showing you whether you can go directly to your page, the forums, the stopovers, and there are also other bits with site settings so that you can check that you've given permission for location and for notifications, and other stuff where you can share the app to other people, the app info itself, or if you wish to uninstall, there's an uninstall option. So that just about wraps it up. It's a very useful app. It makes it much more efficient on a mobile device, and you'll see that there's also some offline capability which is shown in another video which I'll link in the description. Hope you found this useful. Cheers for now.